Honor is making a strong comeback in the foldable market with the Magic V6, announced at MWC 2026, aiming to surpass last year's Magic V5 and rival Samsung's offerings. I've had the chance to use an early version of the Magic V6 expert for the device to understand its advancements. The Magic V6 boasts significant upgrades over its predecessor and competitors, including superior displays, a larger and faster charging battery, a thinner camera module, and enhanced durability. Honor is pushing the boundaries of thinness with the Magic V6, with its white colorway being the world's thinnest foldable at just 4 mm unfolded, rivaling the thickness of standard smartphones. Despite its slim profile, the Magic V6 incorporates a hardened structure, achieves an IP69 water and dust resistance rating, and features a stronger hinge, fortified with 2800 MPa Honor Super Steel. The displays on the Magic V6 offer exceptional eye comfort with high PWM rates and an anti-reflective layer, providing true 10-bit color and improved visibility in bright conditions. Both screens support full stylus functionality, a first for foldables, and the inner screen's crease depth is reduced, with even bezels on the outer display. Leveraging electric car battery technology, the Magic V6 features a 6,660 mAh battery with 25% silicon content, and an even larger capacity battery for the Chinese model, ensuring extended usage. The camera system, while maintaining excellent 50MP and 64MP sensors, benefits from a new SEPA 6.5 stabilization engine and enhanced processing for improved low-light performance. Honor's Magic OS X introduces a new pinnable taskbar, side-by-side app functionality, and significant interoperability features with Apple products, aiming to cater to dual ecosystem users. The Magic V6 is set to launch in China in March, with a global release scheduled for Q2, promising a refined and competitive foldable experience. In conclusion, the Honor Magic V6 represents a significant leap forward in foldable technology, addressing key areas of improvement and setting a new benchmark in the industry.